Alright, today we're doing basics, baby. We're gonna do this like I had to do it in my little training class. You gotta go like this fast. You're coming at a sharp left turn. You gotta make it without touching the edges. And dude, I can't fucking do that shit no more, that's for sure. Holy shit, how did I do that in the class? I've lost all the training. I think it's a little bit more scary because there's like a pole there. I'm like nervous about that, but the general concept. You want to work your little friction zone. You want to do it without taking your feet off. Oh my. Let's try it again. Probably look like a fucking goof in this parking lot doing this, but hey, I don't really care. I'm practicing. Nope, see, I fucked it up. I fucked it up, brother. I fucked it up. I feel pressure because I got people watching me now. They're probably like, what the fuck is this guy doing? Oh, dude, I gotta like literally a little bit more friction and we would have been fine. Part of me almost wants to just go over to the place when they're not doing courses and just like... See, that was bad though. That was bad though. If we go to the right, can we do it? Let's see if we can do it to the right. Nah. Ah, shit. Ay, 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 ay. See, I already would have fucked it up because you're not supposed to cross it. You gotta go like directly 90 degrees in like the little 1x1 section. So it'd be like start like here and then make a 90 without hitting anything. See, that one wasn't bad. That one wasn't bad. Good quick stop. The quick stop's good, but the quick stop, they had us get up to I think like 25 and then we had to do it within like 2 parking spots. Something like that. So maybe we could try that again. Alright, so you start here. I had trouble with this one even during the test. Oh, I put my foot down. If I didn't put my foot down, that was it. Part of me wants to drive through the fucking field like a hooligan. Let's try to get this left turn one more time. The right turn we got pretty decent at. Because I'm pretty sure it was like a 90-degree left or a 90-degree right to a 90-degree left or something like that. And then what were the other ones? There was like 3 other ones that you had to do. Whew, that one was pretty good. Oh my god, we're doing it. Perfect. Alright, let's try it. We gotta go back. Gotta go back for one more. Also, I don't know if these are like the official things. I just remember it was like about 1 to 2 parking spaces that you had. So I'm just going with this because this is 1 parking space, and then like the handicap section was basically about the width of what we were working with. So I got like this line here that I'm trying to like stay within over here. So our foot always had to be on and go. Yes, I'll take it. I'll take it. For having not done this in a long time, I'll take it. This video is very I feel like it's gonna be very vulnerable of me to put out because people are gonna definitely talk shit. And then 2, I don't know, it's kind of a silly video, but I think it's something that's important to do. Every once in a while, you gotta come back and do your basics. Like, I've not done anything in like a slow motion like this since I did my class and had my test. So, it's also educational for folks who haven't done the test. Okay, so right turns, I'm pretty good with. Left turns, need some practice in that like super tight area. And then, oh, it was like the figure eight one. I don't know how I would do the box figure eight in this parking lot though. That's the problem. I don't really know a way that I could set that up. Cause like you had to do like a U-turn within so many feet. And then on top of the U-turn, you had to do it like both ways. So you had to go do one to the left and then you had to come back and do one to the right type of situation. And yeah, I don't know how I would replicate that here. Because it was the quick stop, it was like that left and that right turn on a dime basically when you're just sitting there doing nothing. I'm trying to think what else they had us do. See, clearly left turns, not doing good. These parking spots look a little crusty. I don't know if I want to do it over here. End up sliding. I don't want to slide on that. It is what it is. Okay, so that's a good quick stop. Good quick stop. 2 parking spots. Oh. It's not bad. Let's see what we can get over here with these parking spots. These ones are gonna put you to the test because we actually have to stop. Ooh, see that one? That one was not that great. But to be fair, we have ABS, so I think it's a little bit different. The bike that we did it on, I don't believe had ABS. So, I mean, even in this situation, it's very possible that you can slide out, right? So, I guess let's go fucking, I want to try to figure out a spot that I can do the U-turn thing over here. I just don't know what that spot would be within this little parking lot. And these dudes are probably like, why is this guy just fucking ripping a dirt bike around here? And I mean, I guess we can do it in here. Fuck it, we'll call it, this is our area. So oh, see, yep. Definitely need some practice. It's been a minute. Oh god, we're stuck. Come on, come on. I need a friction zone more if I'm gonna do it here. Alright, this is our box. This is our box. So you gotta like start here. And then it's like, alright, go ahead, go in. See, and then, oh god. I think it's good to practice on your own bike as well, because obviously your bike is going to have different friction spots than your lented test bike, if you so happen to lend one. I need to go slower. Alright, let's give this one last go. Fuck. Well, we went off the road a little bit, but... Ooh. Oh my god. Zero bike control skills, dog. Ain't that the truth? I feel like this event's about to pop off, so we probably dip out in a minute. Let's give it one more good go, and then we'll call it a day. Not really hurting anybody, but... Oh, that was so close. We'll have to go over to where I took my course, and I don't know, it's probably illegal to use their parking lot for personal, but at the same time, I don't know, I don't see the harm in doing a few little laps around it. I'm not going to spend more than 20 minutes there, so we'll see what happens. I'd hate to get in trouble. But yeah, man, fundamentals. Sometimes you just got to get in the parking lot and remember what it's like to do stuff going slow, because it's not always about speed and riding fast. And even then, when you're in corners, you shouldn't always be speeding in the corners, because that's what just leads to bad things, right? Learn how to turn into the corners going slow. That was a very bad turn. We're just kind of swerving, but it's all good. I'm having a good time. I'm just cruising. Remember to always be smart and be safe. Know your limitations. Don't overdo it. I feel like I overdo it quite a bit, and I'm sure a lot of other people do too. And I'm not telling you that you shouldn't. I'm just telling you to be careful and pay attention when you are doing it, because you got people like this who might not stop for you. They might just pull out, and they might not pull out and go fast. They might just pull out and go slow. So practice your fundamentals, practice your quick stops, and yeah, I know I'm preaching and I haven't really done any of this, but it's more so also a call to myself to say, hey, go get in a parking lot before you go on rides. Not necessarily every time, but like once a month could be good, could be useful. I guess until you get to a super high level of expertise. But even then, pro athletes don't go in without warming up, brother. So on that note, thanks y'all for watching. Me make a fool of myself basically, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.